What you're actually looking at there, is the picture from the remote operated vessel. So what happened, the pipe was put in service, installed, and they do a test on the pipe at 110% of operating levels. At that 110%, what you're checking actually is the couplings where they were sealed and bolted together. The divers just use ratchets and sockets to do this, to make sure that that fitting. You're not expecting to have any problems with pipe. So now this didn't even get close to the 110%. It failed at a very low level. And the dye that you see, the green dye coming out of the actual end, that's put there on purpose. So when the divers put the pipe together, they put little packages of dye into the pipe so that if there is a problem, that you can identify where that problem actually was. So we were able to determine that there was definitely a leak in the pipe, because at first thoughts were, well, instrumentation might be wrong. How could this thing have passed at 150 times and then fail at such a low level? That was, of course, the question. Now, we almost had a quick ending to this. This is kind of an interesting story, but you can see some of the other remote operating. You can see the shark there on the one picture. But the little, looks like a little kind of hole there in the middle of the pipe. You've got to realize before this investigation started, everyone was checking a whole bunch of stuff. Somebody was sent out to the installation vessel from Suncor to take a look at some of the video that was there. And when they were viewing it, they actually saw this hole and figured, they got on the phone and said, we think we found what it is. There's some damage, so there might be damage somewhere else in the coupling. And so everybody got excited. And then when they looked, that's actually a starfish. There's a starfish stuck to the pipe, and I was involved at this point, and they said, does a starfish appear on the root cause tree? And you know, we may consider adding it, but we thought we had the smoking gun, and we really didn't. We had a starfish. So it created some excitement for a little period of time, because this was going on just when we were starting.